Can you do this? I assume yes. Let's just check. It's a split time butterfly extension. No, just keep going. Don't make the petal. Just each one's just doing a circle. Yeah. Just keep going. Split time. Well, one's up top, one's up bottom. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Okay. I mean, if you go to a same time butterfly, or together time butterfly, whatever you want to call it, that seems like it's gonna hit 2 if you don't do it right. And then from there you can go into split time where they just, one is up, one is down. And then you can go back to same time, now split time, split. Now same time, now split time, split, and same time, now split time, split, and same, split time, split, same, split time, split. Great. So that is the precursor. This is the split time butterfly. Now I want you to take this and make the arms bigger and bigger until you're doing it as a big version. With yes. You're just push through those 2 points where you want to do the circles, and then you stop and do the circles. So you can make it a sequence. Right, so you're here in a butterfly. Then you're here in your split time butterfly. Then you're here in your split time big, and then you do your stacked circles. Then go back to butterfly, then go back to butterfly small, and then go back to same time butterfly. So same time butterfly, it's like a palindrome. Same time butterfly, then split time butterfly, then split time butterfly big, and then go into the stacked circle. And then from the stacked circle, you go back into split time butterfly big, then you go back to small in split time, and then you sync it back up to same time. So same time, and then split time, and then split time big, and then stacked circles, and then back to split time big, and then back to split time small, and then back to same time. Do this with the right hand. That's all it does. Do this with your left hand. That's all it does. Okay, so it's the same thing that you're doing when you do the stacked circle, except with the stacked circle, you add the extra petal. So you take out those petals and you just keep going big. Yeah, that's all you do. Yep, you're doing it. And now go small. Yes. Let's try the opposite direction and see if that's easier for you. So if you do it from an underhand butterfly, right? So underhand butterfly, then it would be split time underhand butterfly. And then from split time, which you didn't get to yet, I'm gonna shut up. Okay, well so you had the same time version of the big one. And then if you come back down into split time butterfly, small, right, left, yes. And then you make that big, right, left. Yes. And then you could also do the stacked circle here, but I don't know if you have the underhand one as well as the overhand one. And then you could go back into your split time butterfly, and then back into your split time butterfly small, and then back to same time. Same combo, just in the underhand direction. I do have my hands next to each other, yes. Yes. Split time, left, right, left. One's up, one's down. Bum, 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 bum. Beat the 2 different drums. Almost, you're almost there. Your 2 poi and spin them on your sides in underhand. Okay, and now spin them split time in underhand. And now flatten the plane so that it's in front of you. And then walk the hands closer together side by side, keep walking them, keep walking them, keep walking them, keep walking them, keep them split time, yep. Oh, and then you went into the same time. Okay, come back out. Split time, back out here. Split time. Get it back to your, so yeah. Go as far away as you need to so that you established the split time again before bringing them back together. And then when you find yourself falling into same time, back them off, bring them back to the side plane, remember your split time, and start again. Well, the thing is, if you keep them in split time, there's nothing to be afraid of, right? Because they won't hit each other because of the timing. And then from there, you try and get it big, which, I mean, all you do is, right? Just let's remind ourselves, one hand at a time. So this, your right hand doing this, and then your left hand would be doing this. And then putting them together would be your underhand opposite split time butterfly. And then if you know the stacked circle on this side, you can put that in too. And then you can go back to your big split time butterfly, then back to your small split time butterfly, and then back to your comfort move, the same time butterfly. And let's do it again. So split time butterfly. And then from the split time, let's go big. Okay, and add the 2 petals in that stack. And then we'll go back to that big butterfly, big butterfly, big butterfly, big butterfly. And now come small, small butterfly, small butterfly, small butterfly, small. And now back to our comfort move, the same time. Okay, third set, here we go. Split time butterfly. And split time big. And then put in those petals, stack the circles, stack the circles, stack the circles, and then back to that butterfly. And then make it a small split time butterfly. And then back to same time. And then last set, we'll do split time butterfly, split time big, and then stack the circles. And then we'll go back to the split time butterfly big, back to the split time butterfly small, and then back to same time butterfly.